Hello, everyone. Please meet Ibrahim. Ibrahim is a 42-year-old fish farmer in Egypt. Ibrahim runs a medium fish farm but struggles with high operating costs and limited access to buyers. Ibrahim faces significant challenges as cost of feed is around 70% of the operating cost and it's rising most of the time. He also faces inefficient supply chains, lack of financing options to expand his business, and a desperate need to increase his profit margins. Ibrahim has limited access to buyers, so to sell his produce, he needs to go through multiple middlemen to buy his inputs and to reach the end customer. These middlemen take up to 50% of his profits. Ibrahim's family has run the farm for 3 generations, but now he's considering shutting down his business as he's not making enough money. So we created Seafood Factory. Seafood Factory is a digital ecosystem that connects fish farmers to B2B customers and provide direct access to fintech solutions. Our platform provides an end-to-end solution for the seafood supply chain, from helping farmers to purchase feed and equipment to post-harvest logistics and B2B sales. This is how it works. Ibrahim logs into Seafood Factory Farmers app and have 4 ways to go. First, accessing to the input marketplace, where he can purchase fish feed and other essentials at competitive prices. We take a cutoff of around 3% of the feed sold. Second, applying for financing to cover his input costs and manage his farm's finances. Also asking for harvest selling once his fish are ready to be harvested, to be directed to processors or B2B clients like restaurants and hotels in Egypt and internationally. We take a cutoff of around 15% of the value of harvest sold, as well as asking for logistics, cold chain solutions, and other value-added services that he can also select from the app. Like Ibrahim, 1.5 million fish farmers across Egypt and Middle East are suffering similar issues. They lack the tools and connections needed to efficiently manage their supply chains, access financing, and scale their operations. The global seafood market is projected to reach $210 billion by 2030, and the aquaculture industry in Egypt and MENA region is worth $21 billion. We're targeting a 2 billion addressable market in Egypt and MENA, specifically focusing on medium-sized fish farms and input market. With more than 1.5 million fish farmers in Egypt and surrounding countries, there is an urgent need for better supply chain management, logistics solutions, and access to global markets. Seafood Factory operates in the aquaculture industry, which is fragmented and unprofessional space, with local traders and input suppliers as our primary competitors. However, we stand out with 2 major advantages. First, we offer a fully integrated platform that connects both the input and post-harvest sectors, allowing fish farmers to manage their entire supply chain in one place. Second, our platform includes fintech solutions tailored to the needs of underbanked aquaculture farmers, providing them with access to credit and loans for inputs and scaling operations. Our holistic approach, combining supply chain management, market access, and financing, makes Seafood Factory the end-to-end solution available to fish farmers in the region. I'm Aya Munir, the CEO and co-founder of Seafood Factory. With a background in environmental engineering and experience in the agri-tech sector, I've been able to manage a team of 50 people and to reach a profitable business in just 1 year. My co-founder, Amr al-Masri, serves as our advisor and chairman. He managed to make a startup before with 10x growth in less than 4 years. And that ensured that Seafood Factory operates with strong leadership and will definitely follow the same path. Together, we've built a team of experts in aquaculture, technology, and logistics, all dedicated to transforming the seafood supply chain in Egypt and the MENA region. Our first international shipment to the UAE was completed successfully, expanding our reach beyond Egypt, and will also reach the US market by our partnership with the USA Trade Platform that we also secured. We have secured more than 40 B2B clients, including restaurants and hotels that regularly purchase from our platform. And we're currently developing fintech solutions to provide fish farmers with better access to financing and support their growth. So we secured partnership with agriculture banks and entities to offer input financing market access to farmers across the region. We have reached the revenues of $1.5 million in 2023, and last month we achieved $200K in monthly revenue. We're seeking $1.5 million in our next funding round to scale Seafood Factory and expand across Egypt and the MENA region. Join us in building a more efficient, profitable, and sustainable seafood industry across the Middle East and North Africa. Thank you.